bottom black now.
Damn. This thing, I don't know if you guys can tell, but George got this thing buffed out. Who's your boy that did this?
Louis. Yep, Louis.
Dude, look at the shine on this thing.
Yeah, we stripped all the logos out, all the lettering, all the numbers, everything white.
Look at, you can see the reflection of the building on that thing.
Yeah.
Holy.
You buffed every inch of it.
And then you're gonna repaint the bottom black?
Yeah, it's called wet coat. It's for like to keep algae and shit off.
Oh, okay.
It, like, fights against it, so obviously that's the original wet coat. So I just ordered a couple of gallons of it. We're gonna reshoot it black. And then Jorge is gonna do the Bimini black. Fabrizio's on his way here to tint the windows black.
Oh, hell yeah.
We're gonna just do all white and black. We're gonna freshen the whole thing up. I just had the drive serviced.
So this thing is dialed. Oh, are you telling people what you're naming it?
Not yet.
Okay.
You'll see it.
It's so, dude, it's so George.
They'll get it.
That is the best name that you could have picked for this boat.
I came with that right off the top of my head when I was talking to you. I swear to God. Literally, that's when I came up with it.
Are you serious?
I swear to God.
That's good.
Yeah, this thing's coming out sick. Can't wait to put it back in the water one.
And you said you're gonna put lights back on? Or underwater lights?
New underwater lights. It's gonna go around the whole boat.
Oh shit.
So it'll all light up white. So when you sit in the water, it's just,
oh hell yeah.
It's gonna look cool.
That's gonna look sick.
Yeah, we're gonna get it pretty dialed.
Cause this is gonna be the is this technically the man cave in the wintertime?
Yeah. But it's something we can still go out and play some poker in the back.
Yeah, that's sick.
Turn the heat on and we can still drive. We can still
cruise, everything. Well,
yeah, it's dope.
Welcome back to the vlog, by the way.
Back.
How's the car? I mean, how bad was the car? We didn't really talk about how bad it was. You said it backed out and broke some bolts?
2 bolts, and it broke a heim. Basically, the damage is minimal.
Yeah.
I mean, it is what it is. It happens.
Yeah.
I buried him in smoke, and he thought I was still going to do another run, but I was...
You were already on your second pass.
Yeah, but I was... I mean, yeah, and I was, like, facing the exit, like, I'm going out. You know what I mean? But whatever. It's all good. It's drifting. Shit.
Yeah, I feel like he might have gotten the worst of that whole situation. Did you see what happened to his car, or did he figure that out, or?
Yeah, not really, but he was buried in smoke. So in his eyes, I do the same thing. If I'm buried in smoke, I pin it.
Yeah. You're like, okay, I'm gonna catch up.
Days of Thunder, we're gonna find out what's on the other end. You know what I mean? He found out, so I would have done the same thing, because you just get buried longer in smoke if you slow down and you don't know what's what. You could hit a wall, you could drive right into a wall. So he stayed in it. And as soon as he came out, he probably was like, oh no.
It would have been sick if you guys had like a transition back.
Yeah, it would have. That didn't happen. It did the opposite.
Yep.
I was leaving the chat.
Well, it was a good finish to the video.
Yeah.
Very staged.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. Way to make it look not staged.
Yeah, it definitely wasn't staged.
I'm going to Georgina.
Why do you have to record?
Papa. Oh, it's about to rain. Oh, it is raining. Do a little shakedown.
I've never even tested it with the Wi-Fi or anything.
Oh, really? You've never driven it?
Not even when after I just put it together or anything, because Matt pulled up right on time for him to test drive.
Yeah.
Oh shit, wrong timing, bro. Thumbs up. No one's coming on that side.
Yeah. Swing good, bro.
This thing's fast, dude.
Yeah, it is. I'm like, damn.
That would have been me behind you.
Yeah, right?
If I was driving this shit.
For real. These fools are like, what the f are these retards doing?
No one coming from that way?
No.
What the Jeep's thinking?
Oh, I think that's George's homie, actually, to be honest with you.
Is he pulling over to snitch or?
Oh, man, that was getting down. Dude, this thing is fast. It's faster than I thought.
I'm gonna drive it how it's supposed to. Matt, throwing shots.
The angle is good on it, too, bro.
Eats, dude.
Yeah, this thing works good. I know, right? Joyrides! Yeah, that was tight. That car gets down.
Dude, that car gets really down.
For real.
It really down.
It works good.
Honestly, you know what's crazy, bro? It's like ever since I slapped that car together in like 3 days with the homie, right? Out of spare parts that were literally just laying around the shop.
Yeah.
I had a spare 370 shell, I had a spare swab on the side that had nothing to do with that car, and blah blah blah. Where I'm like, started thinking, I was like, what put together for this event real quick? And I was like,
well, it works.
Bro, if I throw all the wiring off this 370, because the 370Z was crashing in the front.
Yeah.
I was like, if I throw everything off the 370Z onto this 350 chassis, it should technically just start right there.
Yeah.
Bro, we literally got up and got to work, and dude, it's been solid ever since. The only issue I've ever had with that car is one fuel pump gone out, and
the hood.
and that's our fault though. Hood pins. We forgot hood pins.
Painting George's boat. I'm gonna put you down right here, and we'll do a little time lapse of us painting this thing. It already looks a million times better. And don't use rollers while you're using this stuff. Only the brush. All right, well, we did one side. It looks good.
I did half of it.
Yeah, I see it. Ah, it smells
And the
good
boat is,
around.
yeah, it smells crazy.
Smells plata, mi amigo.
What are you talking about? I'm like, high as
Now's the moment for me to retire.
I'm just sitting there like this. Just rolling this shit, and I'm like, bro, we've been doing this shit
with a brush?
Yeah, we tried to use the roller, dude. It disintegrated the roller.
Yeah, it's like a special like undercoat for boats that are sit in the water.
Gotcha. Yeah.
And we're like rolling it, and then just like high as a kite, and the roller's just fading away, and I'm just still going like, dude,
This side's all finished, but it's starting to rain, so we're waiting to do this side. This is what the other side looked like once they. I don't know if you could tell. Let's see. Yeah, see how this all got cleaned because this boat sat in the water for its whole life. So all this is done. But this thing looks crazy. It's insane.
Yeah.
It's insane how different it is. Looks sick. And then black bibony too.
Yeah, and the bimini's coming off because they're gonna do it in black.
And these guys are here to tint all the windows. So this thing's hit my ride.
Dude, that black shit is no joke, man. That shit's a mother.
Stinks too. It looks crazy different though. The line's nice and crispy, dude. Were you a former painter before?
No.
Picasso.
Picasso, I like it.
This fool's driving it with his feet. Do a donut. George said, "Hey, come over, do my boat. It's pretty small."
Yeah, it's a small ones, a fishing boat. Mi amigo. Oh, there's the Brasileño. I got scared again, bro.
So you should be done in like 3 minutes.
Yeah, bro, he said, no, it's gonna take 10 minutes. Another time for barbecue, like, hey, let's go out to have some beers or something.
It'll be alright.
Small boat.
Yeah, it's a small boat. He'll be done quick.
On today's episode, my daughter beat up a kid at school, and now she's banished to George's workshop for the day.
Should have.
Yeah, you should have. You should have beat him up.
No,
You had to be nice.
I just got a 1 minute fever.
The next day.
The next day. I see his hat. Oh, there he is. Perfect timing. I got here in the perfect time. It looks like you're almost done. Perfect. Ooh, looks like it's getting a little tacky.
Getting a
little hotter today.
yeah.
Damn, this shit looks really good though. Looks like a totally different boat. Oh, they tinted the windows too. Fabrizio. Hold on, let's see. It's so bright out. Oh my god. Yeah, nice. Looks good. Oh, he's christening it.
Let me grab a tape measure. I'll tell you real quick.
Nah, that shit tits.
If you look at it crooked,
You're crooked.
I mean,
It's tits, but one's got a pepperoni nipple. Good tits, dude.
I love how you brought the tape measure and he's like fully committed
I'm
here.
just seeing how far he's off.
Yeah.
You guys act like I can't unpeel it and do it. Yeah.
Well,
Damn, it's damn near perfect.
it's damn near exact, bro. Like exact. Like, less than he said, I know. Hold on. Why was he out here asking for help?
Yeah.
Shoot.
It's about as straight.
Modified performance life or what? You got an ichrometer built in?
Yep, sure do that.
Okay.
Wow. He said, "Oh, we're not putting any stickers on the boat." 5 minutes later.
That was last 5 minutes.
Sheesh.
Hey, whose boat is it?
Modified performance, brother.
50-50. It's 50-50.
Oh, the baby. No, it's the baby.
George is getting his lunch.
Oh, hello, little George. How are you?
No. That's Leonina. Hello. Dada ugly? She's been
No,
laughing
you're
all day
cute.
over that, dude. What's up, dude? She feels on the spot. Big old camera in your face.
Dang, that top Bimini looks good, man. This dude throws a drink at me, and then he asked me to throw it back to him. Oh, George's boat looks sick, right?
It's alright. That's good. And now I give my best.
Jeffrey's got one the same size, but his is.
Chug this shit not making me feel good.
What'd you drink? Oh, Powerade.
Hungry as what are you eating, dude?
I gotta go to Eric's shop. Go check on Brother Brian. No, it's just to go take pictures, but I'll be back in like a half hour.
Say go take pictures of his new employee?
Man, we got Brother Brian, man. Hey, man.
You gotta work it.
Work it before you got to lick it before you stick it.
Oh wow.
Depending where you at.
The next day.
What?
These things.
I'm putting new ones on.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, he's putting new ones on.
I don't want to say humid, but weird, huh? It's like
It is
it's
weird.
humid, right?
It is weird.
I chose the wrong shirt. This bitch thick as hell.
Me too, bro. I'm wearing the Carhartt. George is just,
We doing
you
well?
know, doing George things.
You gonna take a George?
Take a George.
You wanna take a George? Huh?
Oh, he's taking a Jeffery. 'Cause Jeffery-
Why does Appa? Why does he have like look like he got in a fight? Cuz he got a
Walks
brown.
away and he comes back all black and shit.
Tell us
Yeah,
to
what the
pick
hell?
up his dog shit. and the
First of
dog
all,
shit's
Keith,
everywhere.
you told me one time, this is the second time, relax yourself, and I was gonna
Yeah.
pick it up. I just
I
didn't want
don't
to pick it up the day
repeat
after
myself
it rained, you know? Where it's all moist and shit.
Sounds like a you moist problem.
It's literally moist shit.
Y'all want to keep talking about doo-doo? Just because someone got a doo-doo attitude today.
Yeah, this whole
Nah, actually,
week.
he was calm today
Hey,
since
take a phone
yesterday.
call.
Oh,
Someone kindly off. Thanks.
okay, bye. No, it's not.
Pink cat.
Pink hat day. Pink hat has spoken.
It's not pink. It's orange.
Whatever, pink guy.
Anyways, so we're gonna go put this in the water, but they have to come to the next video to watch that. So we're signing off.
We're signing off, and we are going to attempt to tow a over 10-foot wide boat on a 7.5-foot beam trailer from. Yeah, it's going to take about an
Forever.
hour. Forever. That's gonna be the sketchiest shit ever.
Hurry up and bike.
Bye.